PAM MacBook Air. He's 2026. My friends, how are you? I'm Andres Nishudov, and as you already saw in the title, in this video I'm going to unbox the new MacBook Air with the new M5 chip, the most powerful MacBook Air ever. Let's get straight to the point, just how I like it, with friendly language that everyone can understand. Technology doesn't have to be boring or complicated. As you may have seen, I've been uploading several unboxings, so if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for to subscribe? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. But anyway, now let's get to the unboxing of the new MacBook Air. There are two models, 13-inch and 15-inch. This is the 13-inch model. So let's get straight to the point. As you can see, the box is quite minimalistic. We have MacBook Air on the sides, and this model starts at 24,999 pesos. For the 13-inch version, it's available in blue, sky, silver, starlight and midnight colors, which is the one I have here. By the way, let me know, what are you drinking while watching this video? I'm having an espresso, and if you're not having anything, go get something to drink so you can enjoy this video. Cheers. But anyway, now, box made from recycled materials, bam, 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 MacBook Air 2026, subscribe. Oh, it feels pretty good. It's really light, which is what characterizes the MacBook Air, and it's basically the same design as last year. By the way, I also just unboxed the new MacBook Neo. That's why you have to be subscribed, and if you're not, I'll leave a card here so you can go watch that video. Let's put the MacBook to the side. We have the charger, which is magnetic, and we have the manuals, all the information, and also a new charger that's pretty small. It has a single port, and this port is USB-C, but it's fast, it's 40 watts. There it is. I think it's pretty good. It's portable, something a lot of us are looking for. And there's nothing else in the box. So let's put it away, and now let's get to the MacBook. How is it? Does it feel good? Pretty good. Let's give it a little try, because a lot of people ask me, what happened? Haven't you given a little try lately to the Apple products you buy? Let's see if it passes. The Neshudo IPA certificate. Oh, it has that iconic apple flavor. Those who are longtime subscribers will know that this is a classic of the channel. It passes the test, it passes Neshudo's test, and they're ready. Let's open it for the first time. It's gonna turn on automatically. Oh, this is definitely my favorite color. Unlike the Neo, here we have touch identification to unlock it with our fingerprint. The keys will also light up, and it's haptic touch. Okay, is the trackpad on the MacBook Neo smart? Let's say it's more hardware. I mean, it's a physical button just like here too, but it's smart. It detects. Oh, wait, it detects it detects when we're there, like I said. This MacBook Air has touch identification. The Neo has it too, but only the 512GB model. On the MacBook Air, all models have touch identification. So you'll be able to unlock it with your finger, also pay through Apple Pay, and log in, save all your information. And this is the new MacBook Air, which physically is the same. It's identical to last year's model. Here we have two USB Type-C ports, we have a magnetic connector, we have the headphone jack, and the speakers are located back here. This is a model that I really like, especially now that I've had the chance to travel a lot. I love traveling with this model. It's powerful because this year we have the M5 chip, which is coming to the MacBook Air for the first time. Well, actually, to all the Macs, it's much faster and more powerful. You'll be able to run and create content, music, a lot of things, and render. Anyway, this machine is a real beast, and a portable beast is very, very, very powerful. There's also the MacBook Pro version, where we have other options like the M5 Ultra and M5 Max. Anyway, is there an ideal Mac for everyone? But this year, this update is that it was already perfect. This Mac really just needed the chip upgrade, and this year was the year for it. Tell me, what would you use this Mac for? Like I said, I love it because it's portable, powerful, lightweight, and elegant. Wow, it even sounds like a commercial, doesn't it? My friends, a straight to the point unboxing is what matters most, so you can see what's inside the box. Give you my first impressions, which honestly are pretty good about this one, which is one of my favorite models, at least when it comes to traveling. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, like this video, and don't forget to tell me in the comments what you are drinking while watching this video. My friends, I'm Andres Nesciuto, see you in my next video. Big hugs to everyone, goodbye.